it's interesting to look out here today. You know, it's the first time now that I've been back in a few months with the new building finished. Everything in here is pretty much REBs except a couple of the small balers we still have on that side, so it's really cool. So now the production line is becoming more efficient, more smoother because we have the space, and things are coming from the welding to assembly to painting, and our new paint booth is finished finally. You know, I always enjoy coming back to Georgia. And it's kind of fun to walk the floor like this with nobody here. Yeah, it's a lot of fun to come back here and see how things are developing. Like our burn table is really coming along with what they're doing with the nesting and our efficiency here, and really getting a lot better with what we're doing. And yeah, I'm happy. I like the housekeeping. It's always been good, but it's getting better, and I love seeing that as well. So yeah, I love coming out here to Georgia. It's hard to imagine that 12 years ago in March, that's when we started the whole building of this facility, and here we are 12 years later, and this place still feels brand new to me. It still looks brand new too. It's good stuff. It's a big investment, but it's paying off for Sierra. You know, to have all the quality overhead cranes and to have all the welders at the right stations and the tools that it takes to build equipment right at the hands of the fabricators makes a big difference. And we're making advancements with the quality, enhancing qualities of the machines we're making all the time. And we're only going to get better because we're trying to up our game at every time. We're not trying to be number one, we're just trying to be the best. And I think that's important. Number one doesn't mean anything, but being the best, that has real meaning to me. And that's what we're striving for, to be the best at what we do, to put the best machines out, put them in the field, create customer satisfaction that way. Our painters are getting real good. Hell, that almost looks like a Ferrari red. Well, let's go see the new building and how it's organized. All right, well, we're here walking in our new 24,000 square foot facility. The beautiful thing about this facility is with its length, we're able to easily put machines in line. And like you got here, you see here, you got a 715 SLK that's getting ready to go ship. You got a 550 shear baler that's also being ready to ship, a 900. And we keep a corridor here for trucks to back in, to load out, and you can come in. And with the expansion of our 2-ram baler cells with the REB and conveyor products, this space is really designed for inventory of components. Like over here, you got a boatload of pumping units. So we're going to be able to produce more and be more efficient, which is good for the company, because it's funny, we've only had this facility open and completed for like 4 months, and I'm already wondering, when do we do the next expansion? But it's wonderful to see. I wish my dad was here to see all this, because really this is it's quite an accomplishment. You know, we've added 2 expansions from the original building here, and we're going to keep growing. Sierra, we're doing the right things. We're doubling down in our investment in parts. As you can see on the wall over here, you know, we're stocking a lot of parts for a lot of pieces of equipment, and we're being able to provide parts and service to everybody, our customers, East Coast, West Coast, Midwest, Canada, Mexico, South America, and it's our investment. And we're ready to go. We in a whole bunch of wire tie units here, and we're investing in components to deliver machines in a more timely fashion to our customers. Because somebody, when they want to buy, they don't want to wait. 6-8 months to get a machine. So we're investing in Sierra to be able to deliver more equipment more efficiently, faster to the customer, and they're going to get a high quality piece of equipment in a timely fashion. So super proud of this facility. I love looking down the long way over here, just seeing how neat and clean it is, and guys just coming through, just sweeping. You know, housekeeping's important. And really happy about this. It's really exciting. So 2020 is going to be a great year for Sierra. It's going to be a big year, and I think we're going to keep growing because we have good plans for more expansion, and we're ready to rock and roll.